give you a very short summary recap of our beginners solo social foxtrot practice routine number 7. This was taught in a 45-minute class on the 26th of September 2022. So if you're in my video library and you're looking for the full 45-minute class, I recapped over a number of our basic steps and then we put the routine together. So if this goes a little bit quick for you, apologies, but it's just supposed to prompt your memory. We started with a corner check, slow, quick, quick. Step and point, which is 2 slows. 6 count, quick grapevine. Quick, 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 quick. Step and point. We had a little pause to account for a beat in the music, and then we went, I come out the corner there, we went on a back box step for 6 bars. Slow, quick, quick, 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 slow, quick, quick. We then did a left foot forwards twinkle, simple twinkle, slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick. Here. Then we went into a little sway step. Quick, 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 quick. Quick, 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 quick. Did it twice. We then went into a rock step with some rotation. Slow, slow, quick, quick, slow, slow, quick, quick, slow, slow, quick, quick, slow, slow, quick, quick. I did it 4 times over. I then took 2 slows for a little slide and drag. Right foot back whisk, slow, quick, quick, and a slow walking inside turn. Slow, 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 finish by a side close, quick, quick. Okay, let's do that again. And check, return, step, point. Grapevine, step, point, and wait. Box, bars. Twinkle. Sway step twice. Rock step with or without rotation. You don't have to put the rotation in, but I like the rotation. One more. Slide and drag. Back whisk, slow walking left turn, and close. This time I shall call the slows and the quicks. We'll not have enough time to call the moves. Corner check to start. Slow, quick, quick, slow, slow. Quick, 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 slow, slow, pause. Slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow. Quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow, twinkle, slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow, and close. Sway, sway, slow, slow, quick, quick, slow, slow, quick, quick, slow, slow, quick, quick, slow, slow, quick, quick, slow, 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 quick, quick, slow, 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 quick, quick. You could speed that inside turn up. Do it like this. Slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, 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 quick. Watch out for any furniture. Thank you so much for watching. Like I said, very, very short summary. Beginner's solo routine number 7 for the social foxtrot, taught in the class on the 26th of September 22. If you're looking for the full 45-minute class in my video library, if you're watching this on YouTube, please hit the little subscribe and notification bell. It tells the YouTube algorithm that you like my little summary videos. Thank you so much, and I will see you again very, very soon. Bye-bye.